Hey, ever wondered why your money seems to disappear the more you save? Let's change that. Here are 3 simple tips to keep your cash in check. Tip 1. Track every expense. Write down or use an app to see where your money goes. Even small buys add up fast. That snack or drink every day can turn into a big chunk by the end of the month. Tip 2. Before investing or spending big, save a safety net. Start with $500 to $1,000. Later, aim for 3 to 6 months of your basic living costs. Keep it somewhere easy to reach when life throws surprises. Tip 3. Cut back on impulse spending. Pause before buying something you don't really need. That small delay can save you big over time. Practice these 3 tips and you'll stop wondering where your money went. You'll know exactly where it's growing.